Nights like these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary, and alongside me, my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson, and getting ready for a potentially thrilling contest. It's Paris Saint-Germain, and they face Orlando Pirates.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
And a fine tackle. Couldn't keep it. Oh, tremendous vision. Oh, surely. Well, the header was respectable, but the goalkeeper always seemed to have it covered. Rodrigo. Oh, they have it again. Theo Hernandez. Jeremy. And that... Oh, my goodness! He's caught that so well! A goal of the highest class. Fantastic technique.
Well, here's the replay, and what a well-delivered cross this is. Perfectly placed, and then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Hakimi. And a strong tackle. Can they create something from here? A glorious chance. And a goal! They've added to the lead. Much needed security.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And it's a great finish. He holds off the defender, keeps his composure, and finds the back of the net. It's a marvellous goal.
2-0 here, and the ball is moving again. Not away completely. Well, that's the end of that for now. Rodrigo. Going well. It has to be. He's gone and found the net. Brilliant piece of finishing. Magnificent goal.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box, just begging someone to get on the end of it, and he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
Federico Valverde. Rodrigo. And there is the goal to make it a hat-trick. Excellence in finishing, there for all to see.
Well, as you can see, he gets a bit lucky here. The deflection just had the keeper wrong-footed, but he won't worry about that.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Well, he took care of it defensively. And with that, the first half draws to a close. Rodrigo. An effective ball. A really top-notch piece of defending. Jude Bellingham. Rodrigo. Pele. Chance here. Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let up here.
Well, here it is again. He hits this so sweetly, doesn't he? That's a brilliant goal from a top-class player.
Substitution it is for PSG. Well, we're underway again, and this game was finished as a contest a long time ago. Really getting stuck in. "30 minutes to go then. And unable to keep the ball. Jeremy. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. PSG are going to switch things around on the personnel front. Jeremy. Silva. Nketiah. And back with Bernardo Silva. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Rodrigo. Well, he's won the ball. Rodrigo. Valverde. Well, we're inside the final 15 minutes. Kaká. Pele. Alaba comes up with it. Well, they have the ball once more. Nketiah, and a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Rodrigo. That's useful play. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. And so the referee blows for full time, and it goes down as a victory for the visitors.
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.